in Wisconsin is weather. The Fox 6 Storm Center is on it. Count on the Fox 6 Storm Center because you matter.
Looking fabulous.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued this as a test message. Test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin until 2 p.m. This is a test message. At 1:41 p.m., no severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill.